Alright, so I'm on Hawaiian Airlines, and this is the final meal on the plane. It is a sandwich. They also gave me some snacks right here. It has something, I believe this is pretzels with some sweet savory blend, honey sesame sticks with cheddar corn sticks. A lot going on in there. They also gave me another soda water, club soda or seltzer water, however you want to call it, with ice. Of course, I don't want ice in here. I like it neat. So I have 2 packs of this. I'm going to save one for later for when I get hungry. I'm going to go ahead and look inside of the pack that they gave me. Put my soda in the right place. Actually, I prefer it on that side. So in here is, they have milk chocolate, Aloha Max, creamy milk chocolate covered macadamians. And this is a sandwich. I believe this is chicken and salad. Gave me a napkin, and then also there is a wet wipe to clean my hands. Comes in handy. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. And wipe around the mouth, and then you have the cloth itself, and I'm going to use this just to wash my hands, make sure that they're clean. Call it a moist towelette. Gets the job done. Place this to the side. I'm going to open up this sandwich, dry my hands off a little bit, and see what the sandwich is all about, see if it's good. But I'm going to have the sesame snacks on hand. Try this. At the top, a lot of pretzels going on. Really good. Go ahead and open up the sandwich. It looks like what is this? Is this all wheat? It is indeed a chicken salad. You look on here, it has lettuce in there to add a little bit to the crunch to it. It's a sandwich cut in half. I'm going to try this out to see how well it tastes. It's actually quite good. Not too much mayonnaise, the right amount of crunch on here. I wish I had a little bit of pepper to add onto it, but it's actually good how it is. Put some pretzels on it for a little bit more crunch. A little bit more sophisticated crunch. Really good. Very tasty. Open this up in a second. Where's my Seagram's seltzer water? I'm just gonna try this on some ice. Usually don't like it on ice, but again, isn't all that cold, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this. This is Seagram's seltzer water. Really good. You can see they put the lettuce on both sides of the chicken, and I'm assuming that they did that to keep the chicken from making the bread too soggy. They strategically placed it on the outside. You can see it right here. It goes bread, lettuce, chicken salad, lettuce, bread. They strategically did that in order to keep the bread from getting too soggy. It's really a good sandwich. I'm going to open up the macadamia chocolate covered macadamia nuts momentarily. I'm just going to go ahead and finish this sandwich. So I'm assuming these are the cheddar corn sticks. They do indeed taste like cheddar. And then here is the honey sesame stick. And indeed does taste like sesame and a hint of honey. So with the combination of them all, you get a good mix of flavors all in one bite. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite of this right here. Only a couple more bites of this. The lettuce has a nice crunch to it. Very surprising. A lot of times you get lettuce and it lacks the crunch. But this one has plenty of it. I'm gonna open this up right here. And this is a piece of chocolate. It is milk chocolate, creamy milk chocolate covered macadamias. Go ahead and try that. You can see on the outside it looks chocolate, of course, on the flat on the bottom. It almost looks like a duck or a dove. Duck, perhaps a dove right there. See that? Go ahead and try this. You can see the macadamia nut. Taste of chocolate in all its glory. This is actually, however, really good. I might try this with a little piece of pretzel. All in one bite. Really good. There we go. So that was the final meal on the plane. I had the chicken salad sandwich with the pretzels, corn sticks, and honey sesame sticks, along with the Seagram's salsa water. It's really good. Not too shabby. Absolute